What up, gang? We got some we got breakfast. You know, we snowed in, so we got fish, we got eggs, and we got shrimp and grits. You know what I'm saying? Shrimp and grits. I want to try that first. Baby going stupid in the kitchen. I can't count. Now I know I got a plastic fork because I ain't even feel like going in the kitchen. There was one right here beside me, literally. Oh, hold up. Oh my God, she can cut up like this. I thought she had retired. God damn. Ooh, I ain't got no hot sauce, no nothing. Let's take a first. Let's just take a bite first. Baby back on her bullshit. God damn, hold on. But I don't know what y'all eating this morning, but I hope it's something that look like this a little bit. Whew. God damn, hold on. A little hot now. And yes, we back to making our 10-minute video like we first started on YouTube. I mean on TikTok. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, y'all see your boy huh? Y'all be thinking my shit short. Man, you better stop playing with me, shawty. Yeah, stop playing with me, man. That's how when you shrimp with the grit. Hold on. Good God damn, this sauce she put on top just. I'm gonna be some fucking Alfredo. Man, some fucking Alfredo sauce. Man. 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 I'm still a little hot. Just gonna make me sweat a little bit. Put a little more hot sauce on that, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no tartar sauce, kind of made me mad. But that's definitely good though. That's real good. Y'all seen Trump sign that executive order for 75 days, huh? I seen it, but before them 75 days up, I want to at least try to skip the 400,000 followers. You know what I'm saying? We did 200K in a year. We can do 200K in 6 months now. Come on, man. We already at 220, I think. So I'm just trying to go and skip to like 440, you feel me? So I'm gonna need y'all to like and share that video, you feel me? Okay. I don't know who all in the crypto, but if you will, and you see this part of the video, if you stayed this long, comment down below. Let me know. I need connections, you know what I'm saying? We need to start talking and let me know what y'all investing in. I made a little bread off that little Trump coin now. I made a little bread off that motherfucker now. No cap. And if y'all didn't know, his wife dropped her own coin too. I'm over down 45% right now though. I'm investing in Ethereum. You know what I'm saying? Dogecoin. You know what I'm saying? I'm investing in a couple meme coins. You know what I'm saying? I know they finna straight to the meme. I'm ready. And one of my biggest ones right now, XRP scheme. Man, look. If you was there to see the run and these past couple of months from November to now, then really, yeah, I think that was November. Yeah, November to now, then you have seen some drastic turns. We watched this go from like 70 cents to $3. Amazing. And I think, look, what did it, Bank of America? They agreed to use XRP as a currency? Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, man. It's time to get right. This year is the year to get rich off crypto, for sure. You looking for some easy money? Just you've been saving money, but you just trying to invest. That's definitely the wave right now. Okay. I ain't gonna lie. I'm even investing in TikTok stock. I'm investing in ByteDance. No cap. Gotta invest in ByteDance, man. You know what I'm saying? TikTok is the future. No cap. If TikTok is able to stay, you know, sometimes when things are too good, that's why they take it away. You know, things that be too good, they always get took away sometimes, though. I'm not even gonna lie. The TikTok is just way too good. It's too good. It's like an asset to the world. No captivity. But yeah. A little too much hot sauce, that's not God. Damn. Somebody that do I got Tourette's. Hell no, boy. When shit be too spicy or too sour, it just be rubbing my body the wrong way. Shit burning. Burning my chest. Hitting the top of my mouth and that shit. I don't be liking that shit. I ain't got no Tourette's though, gang. Unless it's like a mild Tourette's or some shit. Can you have like a mild Tourette's syndrome? Like it just happens certain times with when you do certain stuff. If it's like that, then yeah, I could probably have it. I don't know. This is gonna be a 10-minute video. My stomach's starting to hurt out there. I took that last bite of that hot sauce on that fish. My shit burning now. See, I'm starting to sweat harder than I was at first. God damn. No, you know your stomach hurting when you start sweating. I'm gonna go, y'all. I love y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.